Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're coming to you from Sea Pro Boats and we're checking out the 292 DLX. So much going on this boat. Let's start right here. In the back end, this one's tricked out with twin Suzuki 350s. Love these motors, nice and quiet, and they have counter-rotating props. What does that mean to you? A great hole shot coming out of the water. You giddy up and go real quick. This one tops out on almost 60 miles an hour and is gonna cruise right around 30. It's got 175 gallons of fuel. So we're gonna fish this boat hard, as you can tell. I got rocket launchers overhead, I got rod holders. On the port side, I have a side boarding door, but we're gonna bring that fresh catch in here as well. I got twin massive live wells, gonna keep that bait nice and fresh. And so we can fish, this seat also flips away, so it's comfortable when you're sitting on it, and I can fish hard if you don't wanna sit on it. Then just behind me at the leaning post area, they have a pull-out cooler with that beautiful Sea Pro logo on it, nice chrome accent on it. But honestly, it pulls out and tucks back in super easy. And then I have freshwater, bait prep station, a lot going on here. Hey captains, you're gonna love this setup up here. Why? I got 3 sides of glass over here, hard top, oversized, and then at my controls. First of all, I got Zipwick on this thing. I have my Suzuki controls. I also have joysticks so I can ease it out. And then I have a twin Simrad display. But the best part about the Simrad display is right next to my seat controls, I can control the Simrad right here, fingertip control. Doesn't get any easier than that. Jimmy Hancock builds a great boat. Up here, you can see how high we are in this beautiful Carolina flare. Beautiful running in the water. I got storage up here. I can also close that up and I can use this whole area to cast all day long or relax. Someday you might just want to go dock and dine or go to the beach, drop anchor, maybe go to the sandbar. You can just button this up, put the cushions out and relax, catch the sun all day long. The Sea Pro 292 DLX is a gorgeous boat. Big Carolina flare, a lot of value in this boat. Go see your dealer, step on board, take her for a sea trial and see what she's all about.